Hi, this is season 3 of Raga Chords. My name is Karthik Sekran and today we will talk about Raag Durga. Welcome to my channel. This is your one-stop solution for everything to do with Indian fusion music. So make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's go. Now Durga is a beautiful pentatonic raga. Now when I say pentatonic, I mean it's an Audava raga, which means that there are 5 distinct notes in the Aarohanam and 5 distinct notes in the Avarohanam. In this case, the same 5 notes are in the Aarohanam and Avarohanam. The way we go up, we trace our steps back. Now Durga is derived from the Bilawal Thaat. In Carnatic music, the equivalent raga is Shuddha Saveri, which is derived from Dhira Shankarabharanam, which is the equivalent of Bilawal. We've done Dhira Shankarabharanam in season 1. You can check it right here. Let's talk about the Aarohanam and Avarohanam of this raga. It's straightforward. You take Bilawal, the major scale or Shankarabharanam, and you don't sing the Ga and you don't sing the Ni. This is how it goes. Sa re ma pa dha sa sa dha pa ma re sa. Now depending on where you have learned this raga, if at all you have learned this already, there might be certain subtle variations here and there where you are singing mini patterns. These are nothing but pakad or chalan of the raga, and there are a whole bunch of these. Some of them are Sadha Padha Ma Re, that is one. Re Ma Padha Ma Re Sadha Sa, that is another. There are more such mini patterns, if you will. But let's not break our heads with that. Let's go straight into the chords that can be used for this raga. So, as usual, I am going to be in the key of C. So, Durga or Shuddha Saveri is Sa re ma pa da sa sa da pa ma re sa, right? No Ga and no Ni. It's essentially the major scale, but no Ga and no Ni. So let's make some chords out of it. So the first chord, if you make a C major, you'll end up hitting the Ga. I know in the past I have said that in ragas with limited options, go to the parent and use the chords from the parent. But just for the sake of argument, let's see if we can come up with some interesting sounds without the Ga and the Ni. Let's see what all sounds we can come up with. So, a Sa Re Pa. This is a C sus 2. Sa Re Pa. Same way, a Sa Ma Pa. This is a C sus 4. C sus 2, C sus 4. Then comes a D minor, because all 3 notes are there. Nothing from the E. We also have a D sus 4, the Re, the Dha, the Re, the Pa and the Dha, right? Then we have a F major, F sus 2. Now if you notice, F sus 2 has the same notes as a C sus 4. This C, instead of playing here, is being played higher, right? So, but although the keys are the same technically, but the sound is significantly different. This is C sus 4 and this is a F sus 2. Okay, so F major is there, then G major won't come because the Ni is not there, but a G sus 2 will come, which is the same as a D sus 4, but it sounds different. Same key, the D is up here. Yeah, okay. So you see the chords that we have are C sus 2, C sus 4, D minor, right? Then F sus 2, F major, G sus 2, G sus 4. So these are the chords that we have. We have predominantly sus 2 and sus 4 chords. So only one film song is coming to my mind right now. It's a song by A.R. Rahman in a movie called Kangalal Kaidu Sai, which did not do well, but the songs were incredible. So there's a song called Yennuir Thoriye. Yennuir Thoriye, Yennuir Thoriye, na 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 ta na 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 ta na na. Lovely song, check it out. There are plenty of popular Carnatic kritis like Shri Guruha by Dikshidhar, Dharini Telusukunti by Tyagaraja. There are very popular bandishes in Raag Durga in Hindustani music. Check them out, just a simple Google search, you'll get plenty of bandishes. Let's see if we can do some improv in Durga. So this is a C5 chord which we have covered in some of the previous episodes. So this is a chord which comes in very handy, a C5 chord. There's a bass note C and then the root note C and a fifth. Okay. This comes in very handy in ragas like this where there is no ga. There is no third for the root chord to be played either a major or a minor. You can only play a sus4 or a sus2 because the re and ma are there but the ga, neither the regular ga nor the flat ga, neither of those are there. So a C5 chord really helps in helping you ground and root your compositions. So let's come up with a chord combination for our improv. We can do this, yeah, that's beautiful. So in the bass note I am playing a ma re ma sa, okay, and here I am playing a C sus4, sus2 and then a first inversion of F major, okay, and then C5, okay, let's do that. Ma na 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 ta na 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 na. You see, playing the C major takes it away slightly from the feel of Durga, makes it sound more like the major scale. But it will become more prominent if you hit the ga in the root note. Na 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 na. If I end it like this, first of all it ends a little tensed because the ga is not exactly very nice to resolve it, even though a lot of resolution happens in ga. But it makes it sound more like Shankara Bharanam if I play the ga in the bass. So I would rather play a pa up here if I am playing a C major here or a root note, a sa. Okay, so let's do that again. Na 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 na. Na 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 So that was Durga. Beautiful raga, isn't it? You see, there are plenty of sus4 and sus2 chords which sound beautiful on their own. We can use all of those beautiful sounds in this raga. We also observed that as the ga is not there in the raga, using that in certain chords can take us significantly away from the feel of Durga and make it sound more like Bilawal. Hey, but if that's what you want, go ahead and do that. That being said, using the ga gives you more chord options, and in fusion music, a purist approach never works. If you found this information useful, make sure you like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and switch on all notifications so that you receive all future updates. And as always, make sure you experiment with music because that's where the real fun is. I'll see you in the next episode.